So I was driving the 80 series the other morning and it was belting down rain. So I had the wipers going flat out and then they stopped. To start with, I thought it might have been the wiper motor. Wiper motor's fine. All right, so I found that this bush is all worn out. So I thought, oh, that's not too hard, I'll just get new bush for it. No, Toyota don't make the new bush. You've got to replace the whole mechanism. There are a couple of aftermarket bushes around, but seeing I've got one out of the donor here, I've already got that out. Let's just do it. To get the mechanism out, you've got to take the wiper blades off. That's pretty straightforward. You've got to take the scuttle panel off. Not quite so straightforward. Cannot get a stumpy screwdriver into one of these screws. So a bit further, I don't really want to have to pull the whole bonnet off because it's friggin' hot and I don't want to. That's off. Yeah, it's good fine where that went. Oh, look at that. I can get that one at least. If I can get them all, that'd be great. Now, having a look at it again, gonna be easier to pull the bonnet off. There's only 4 bolts, 2 on each side. I think that's gonna be easier because it's gonna be a pain in the ass to get the scuttle panel out. That should do the trick. I can actually reach the center screws from the ground, so that's another good reason for doing this. Did I mention it's bloody hot? Just got to take these screens out. Just a little bit of light wire just to help guide it back in. Should come out relatively easily, I think. Just broke that one off. And that one's bent. Pretty much straightforward, so I'm not going to worry about that too much. That's what you need. You need an extra hand here just to get these just right. Just replace this broken one with one out of the donor. All right, so that scuttle panel's on. I think I'll put the bonnet back on next. So hopefully there won't be too much adjustment needed once I've done them up. That looks pretty spot on. I can't really give you a great bird's eye view of it, but that's in. And then rotate the wiper motor to where it's supposed to be. Let's get those bolts, those 10mm bolts started. If you hadn't noticed, I have done this a couple of times before. Couldn't quite work out what was going on until it finally crapped the bed completely. Before I put the wiper blades on, I'm gonna just make sure everything's working there. I'm happy with that. Don't want to cross thread these. There we go, that's going in perfect. Lovely. All right, bonnet's done. And that lines up as good as it's ever gonna. Maybe this one will go here. Lovely. Do they work? Wipers are together and working, so I'm happy with that. It's so bloody hot, I'm just going to have to go and have a sit down because I'm melting. Oh, I thought I was going to expire there for a moment.